Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this app is currently not available in your country or region on iPhone or iPad. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to download or install any app, you might see an error that the app is not available in your country or region. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to check if that app is available in your country or region. If it's available but you're still facing the issue, so let's see some possible fixes for this. You just have to go to your settings app here, go to general, go to software update, try to update your software. After updating software, go back, go to language and region, select the region and select your own region from here in which you're living. After doing that, just go back and go to VPN device management and just make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. Then go back from here and open your app store. Then tap on the profile option at the top right, tap on your Apple ID, and here you have to verify yourself using your Apple ID password. After entering your Apple ID password, just tap on sign in option here. And here, just look for country or region, and you just have to make sure that you have selected your own country or region in which you are living. Or if it's not, you just have to tap on country or region, and here just select your own country or region in which you are living, or the country or region which you have just selected with your iPhone settings. So, for example, I'm going to select this one, and I've already selected it in my settings. So I'm going to select this one here, or you can select your own. Then tap on this continue option, then tap on agree at the top right, and here you have to enter your payment method, your billing address, and just enter your informations. Here, if you have any payment method, you can add it here. If you don't have, just have this none option. Then under your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all, just have a none option at the top right, and your country or region will be successfully changed. And once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. Or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you just have to try to use a VPN to connect with the country or region server in which the app is available, and then you can easily install it from your app store. So in this way you can easily fix if the app is currently unavailable in your country or region. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.